Imagine waking up every morning to nothing but endless blue skies and uninterrupted sea views stretching as far as your eyes can see. Hello everyone, I'm Martin from my house. Today I'm bringing you inside incredibly large 2,530 square feet 4-bed 5-bath luxury residence sitting on a high floor with one of the most breathtaking panoramic sea view you'll find in Singapore right here in District 15. This home begins with something you don't experience every day, your very own private lift lobby. No sharing neighbours, no passing corridor traffic, and it gives you the exclusivity, privacy, and arrival experience that truly feels like coming home to a landed property in the sky. And wait till you see what welcomes you once these doors open. As you enter the foyer, you are greeted by a long row of carpentry done up by the owner. Lots of storage space for you to store your shoes or your barang-barang. Wow! This is the reason people fall in love with homes like this. The moment you step inside, your eyes are naturally drawn towards this spectacular panoramic sea view. And it's completely unblocked. No neighboring towers, just endless sea, sky, and natural light. Every sunrise feels different. Every sunset paints a different picture. This isn't just a view. It's something you enjoy every single day. And if I own this home, this is probably where I spend most of my mornings. Fresh sea breeze, watching ships slowly pass by while the city wakes up. And in the evenings, it's the perfect place to unwind after work while listening to nothing but the sound of nature. It's a lifestyle that's difficult to replicate elsewhere. With over 2,530 square feet, the living and dining areas are exceptionally spacious. You have a wall-to-wall distance of 6 meters and a 7 meter wide frontage. And whether you're hosting festive gatherings, entertaining friends, or simply spending a quiet weekend with family, this space adapts beautifully. And because of the floor-to-ceiling windows, the sea views become part of your everyday living experience. Owners have spent $150,000 on the renovation during their own stay previously. You can see a very nice feature wall done up, false ceiling with laminate done up as well, and lots of carpentry space at the back. Well, this could just be your favorite room. The master bedroom is super incredibly generous in size. There's ample room for a king-size bed and even a space for a lounge or reading area if you want, and lots of carpentry done up by the owner on top of what the developer has given. But the real luxury is waking up every morning to this panoramic sea view. A super spacious and luxurious bathroom ensuite from your master bedroom. You have even a bathtub, a toilet, and a showering area. Tired of the sea view? We have another balcony over here just outside your dry kitchen for you to enjoy a coffee. And if you look out of here, you can see Parkway Parade and Marine Parade MRT, which is just really a stone's throw away. Moving into the kitchen, one thing I really appreciate about this layout is how practical it is. The kitchen is nicely separated from the living space while still remaining conveniently connected to the dining area. There's plenty of countertop space, generous storage, and because of the size, multiple family members can comfortably prepare meals together over here. Over at the dry kitchen, you also get a lot of inbuilt appliances. You have your microwave oven, your inbuilt oven, as well as your wine chiller, all from very expensive and reputable brands. Welcome to the wet kitchen, fully equipped and fully enclosable. Lots of countertop space and cabinet space for you to store your things, and you have gas cooker for that heavy cooking for your family. Welcome to the yard area, you do have additional countertop space, an extra sink and more cabinet for you to store your stuff, a household shelter for your helper's room, as well as an additional WC and an additional door for the exit. Welcome to the Junior Master, super spacious, able to fit up to a king-size bed with 2 side tables. Cabinet has been done up and it comes with an ensuite toilet. Both of the common rooms are super spacious. They can fit up to a king-size bed. Cabinet has been done up and it comes with full height window for that natural light and ventilation. Now the most amazing thing about this unit is it comes with 5 toilets, 2 ensuite, 1 at the master, 1 at the junior master, 2 common bathroom and 1 at the yard. All the toilets are very luxuriously designed and equipped. Over at this project, you have full condo facilities. You have 2 50-meter lap pools, you have the fun pool, and you have the jacuzzi pool, and you have multiple barbecue pits, 2 tennis courts, function room and a gym. Lots of facilities for your family to enjoy. But as spectacular as this home is, what truly completes the lifestyle is its location. You are just approximately 300 meters to Marine Parade MRT on the Thomson East Coast Line, giving you seamless connectivity to Orchard, Marina Bay, Gardens by the Bay. For families with young children, you'll be delighted to know that Tao Nan and Tanjong Katong Primary School is within 1 km, making this an excellent long-term home if school proximity is important. Daily convenience are all around you. Within just minutes, you'll find Parkway Parade, one of the East's most established lifestyle mall offering supermarket, restaurant, cafe, retail shopping and fitness facilities. You're also close to the vibrant Katong enclave, with Katong V, Katong Shopping Centre and Roxy Square giving you even more dining and boutique shopping and everyday essentials. One of the biggest lifestyle advantage is that you are only moments from East Coast Park, where you can enjoy morning runs, cycling, beach walks, water sports or simply unwind by the sea with family and friends. This is more than just buying a beautiful home, it's embracing one of Singapore's most sought after coastal lifestyle, where everything you need is just minutes away while still enjoying the peace and tranquility of waking up to panoramic sea views every single day. If you've been searching for a spacious luxury home where the sea becomes part of an everyday lifestyle, opportunities like this don't come often. We have 2,530 square feet of 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom, private lift, high floor, full unblocked panoramic sea view, no extension required. If you'd like to experience this incredible view for yourself and make this your next home, feel free to reach out. Remember to contact me, Martin, from my house at 91278681 and I'll be happy to arrange a private exclusive viewing for you.